Hello everyone, I'm Lady Jace, and today I'm back to react to Sammy's Children's Day. Episode 7. Isn't it the penultimate one? No, there are 9 episodes, right? Okay. We're close to the end anyway, so I feel bad. Let's just start the reaction. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Go. What happened after he saw him clearly ignore him? Okay. They will talk. We love talking here.
你講先。我本來係要去外地嘅，只不過遲啲啫。哦。
Awkward. Okay. That's direct, but it's what we love here. Let's talk about this. Oh, good. At least you apologize. To taste my...
就算我有好多困惑，再迷惘，再痛苦，都唔應該佔你便宜。嚇？你有冇聽講過簡特蒙潛在認知障礙啊
What? He's doing that on purpose. I swear. That boy is a little wolf inside, not a sheep.
我嘅情感認知
Trying to manipulate my man.
出現咗偏差。
You have your glasses, sir, so it's not working for your tears.
我都唔敢同其他人講，連我阿爸都唔知㗎。所以嗰日你錫我，只係因為
Oh, it's not what I wanted.
我唔想再逃避啦。醫生話，如果我想改變嘅話，就要打雄性激素。 強制矯正啊！點可以隨便打㗎？係人打嘅咩？亂嚟
Do not for humans.
但係
What are you doing with your
其他辦法啦。
Oh, your necktie, I don't know what it is.
你唔係想要男人味咩？我好專業嘅，我幫你。
More manly, okay.
兄弟幫你。
It's not exactly what I wanted. But at least they're talking. Look at that little sneaky boy.
專業㗎。
I want what they were having. It looks delicious.
男人就要做呢種對抗性嘅運動。
We love contact sport here.
真正嘅男人從來都唔會手下留情。你諗辦法打低我。
Ooh, he looks so good like this.
Yeah.
Oh, little baby. Look at him. Mm.
Yeah.
Ooh, I don't think that's gonna help, to be honest. Ooh. Besides making him more infatuated. Okay. I'm dead. Sir? Yeah.
我犀唔犀利啊？
He was panicking here. I saw that.
跳啦！
Oh, the outfit though.
哦。
落嚟，睇我跳。
They must be wondering what they are doing right now.
好，
That's not gonna help,
呢
baby.
度囉柚要壓落去，
Definitely not helping him. He's obsessed with that.
跟住向上，揈兩嘢。
Must be. I don't know how the actors were able to stay serious.
阿叔，剪個小波剪定啲得㗎。
笑乜嘢啊？做啦，100個最基礎嘅。
Okay, sport doesn't make you a man. Oh, I don't like that. He's a man anyway.
2.0，2.01，2.02，2.03，2.04，
老偉哥，我口渴啦。
飲水飲水。
I'm thirsty too. Not the famous scene of I'm drinking water and looks like a god. Sir, what are you doing? Is it trying to seduce him? I see what you're doing.
老哥，你飲唔飲啊？
Maybe he wants
我好肚餓啊，
for food.
食飯啦。到啦。
Each time there is a reminder of the difference between their life. And he doesn't like that.
喂，
Can you just park here, sir? In the middle of the road?
嗱，食粒糖啊！成塊面都青晒。咪到陣時啊，翻去同何叔講，跟住我仲要捱我啊！
I need to read the book, but
啱
I
先
want
舊
the
時
end
嘅
first, and I heard there will be a second season. I'm gonna start the book
有
tomorrow.
你六一哥喺度，冇人夠膽掂你嘅。嗰個肥七嘅死肥佬，我驚都未
我唔係
驚過佢啊！
驚自己冇命啊，我驚嘅係你每日都要面對呢種人呢種事。我之前為咗寫劇本，睇咗好多關於黑幫鬥爭嘅書，
Never
入邊
ends
係有好
well.
多威風嘅大佬啊！但係江湖本身就係一條不歸路，有幾個人可以乜事都冇咁行到最後啊？老實講，一個都冇。
輸係輸，現實係現實。
But it did happen to your brother.
許盈係點死嘅？你有邊次唔係死裏逃生啊？仲有你阿哥同家姐何初心，
But he's
講
right.
夠未啊？
未？其他嘅黑道人士點樣，我可以唔理，但你唔得。 我唔想見到你咁樣，更加唔想見到你受傷。
Oh, baby.
好啦，你今日受咗刺激。唉呀，得啦，以後呢種咁危險嘅地方唔帶你去就係啦。夜啦，你快啲翻去休息啦，唔好亂咁諗嘢。
It's too soon to make him change, but at least you put that idea in his head.
攞住部大哥大，以後唔好俾我揾唔到你。
Hello, Jason. Nice to meet you too.
I just got back to home, and I'm not familiar with many things. I may need a local guide to help me with some personal stuff.
It's not
I
the same voice, right?
Sam would be a great choice.
OK Sam，咁呢段時間 Jason 就交俾你㗎啦嚇。
OK。
新指數突破1000點啦！
What was that look? They are getting too close to my babies. I hate this. Maybe he's gonna learn jealousy.
有冇搞錯啊？信部大哥大俾你攞嚟擺㗎？成棟樓都黑晒㗎啦，仲未收工啊！
Jason 哥，呢份係我哋嘅項目策劃。
一齊啊，好啊！
Sam，你咁有才華，留喺你呢度嘥咗你啦。頭先佢哋講你係最薄嘅嗰一個，點解
What？
頭先佢哋講你係最薄嘅嗰一個，點解？
我
唱送俾你嘅，嗱。
He's gonna hate it. Why did you buy this?
Ừ, 唔好意思啊。喂。
今晚照舊，我嚟接你啊。
今晚我有個重要嘅客要陪啊，可能去唔到。
咩話你要陪下？
我收線先啦。
Okay, just like that.
居然夠膽給我電話，咩工咁巴閉啊！我遲早搞到你辭職啊！切，我仲未食飯啊！激死！
女朋友啊？
嚇？
聽落脾氣都好似幾大喎。
哦，唔係，一個朋友啫。佢好好人嘅。
哦？睇落關係唔簡單喎，識咗好耐㗎啦。
我哋繼續啊。
I think that guy is not that bad. Maybe would change his mind.
頂，我真係狗仔。
11.3%，預計今年嘅話增長2651萬。
Oh! What? Jealousy? What did I say? Oh no.
我以為你喺度加班，原來你喺呢度同人調情。
你誤會啦，我哋喺度做緊嘢啊。
Sam，佢你朋友啊？
嗯。
Hi，I'm Jason。Nice to meet you。
Oh! My
你喺
God!
度同我講英文啊！收聲 ，shut up， 聽到未啊？
你做咩啊？我哋真係做緊嘢啊！
我蘇生。
Jealousy. Please realize.
你份人成世都係咁。
你真係誤會咗啦。對唔住啊 ，Jason。你誤會咗啦。
睇下我點樣收拾你。
Okay. I'm sorry, I shouldn't have.
諗落真係有啲唔捨得。
何初生，俾我大哥大你過嚟擺㗎，做咩唔聽我電話？食咗飯未啊？
You did that on purpose. Okay, so
啱好。最近呢，有一啲投資報告。
禮哥，
你同我收聲！
你帶我嚟呢度做咩啊？我同你講過係唔會啦。
何初三，你唔好同我講咁多嘢啊嚇！你而家跟我嚟。你唔係有咩性別情感認知障礙嘅咩？我覺得你就係玩緊我，你就係中意男人。 大仔呃我玩我啊！
我冇玩你啊！
冇。
it's not into you.
我揾個女人同你搞，搞完之後你就咩病都冇。
我唔使向你證明，我亦都唔會做呢種事，我亦都唔會嚟呢種亂七八。
I think you're gonna be jealous anyway if you choose a woman.
呢種地方，而家呢種地方好失禮你咩？呢種地方係咪令你呢個大學生覺得好丟架啊？ 我就係呢個地方嘅老闆，我日日都喺呢度 happy。既然你睇唔起呢個地方，咁你做咩日日跟住我啊
Because it likes you, damn it! You shouldn't have this conversation here.
你唔係呢種人。
阿培啦，老姜會過嚟。
Don't do this, please. Don't do this. I don't want that kind of ending.
女一哥，
養兵千日， 用兵一時，
You're just hurting him.
1000搞掂。
睇到未啊？清純玉女啊！
老阿哥，你輕啲啦。
我淨係搞過佢一次咋，俾你呢種貞操男啊啱晒啦。今日等佢教下你乜嘢叫做男人。
You're so gonna get jealous.
我走啦。
企度！呢度係你話嚟啊嚟，話走就走㗎。你當我呢度係公廁啊？
Public restroom.
唔係你帶我過嚟嘅咩？
咁我而家冇叫你走啊嘛。何初三冇同你講啊嚇，你如果今日唔搞佢，我就即刻剝晒佢啲衫，劈喺條街度餵狗。
No.
哥哥仔救我！哥哥仔你救下我！你救下我！哥哥仔。
You're so gonna regret this.
你唔會咁做嘅。
人嚟！人啊！
老阿哥叫邊個啊？
同我除晒佢啲衫。
冇問題。嚟！救我！哥哥仔邊度你？過嚟！救我啊！過嚟呀！救我啊！過嚟呀你！成個聽話，打死你！聽話嘛？
What are you trying to do? It's gonna say.
救咩救啊？打死你！哥哥仔救我啊！都唔聽話啦！打佢對你啊！救我啊！都唔聽話啦！
Oh my god, I don't want that kind of ending for this episode.
好，我聽你嘅得未啊？
苗哥嚟啦！過嚟，背好苗哥啊，知唔知啊？乖啊，小心定定啊，開心啲啊，笑啦！阿姐，我走啦。去邊啊？七三哥。
喂，
冇明白。
仲拖埋手仔添啊！呢個僆仔真係談戀愛啊！大佬個女人佢都敢鬥？
我唔係啊嘛，你哋做乜鬼嘢啊？嗱，翻工啦，我乜鬼嘢啫嘛？
I'm so gonna follow them.
咁甜蜜，你準備幾時將從我呢度接走？
阿梅係夏綠益嘅人，佢會唔開心嘅。
Tell the truth. Come on, tell him the truth.
係個人才嚟嘅。唔係，夏綠欣呢個萬年老處男，居然同你講阿梅跟過佢，笑死人啊！
夏綠益嗰日佢就係咁講嘅。
Tell the
佢
truth.
呢
Come
份人啊，都幾咁硬頸，把口就勁，但係咧遇到中意嘅人又唔敢多望人眼，所以過咗咁多年，根本都冇人睬佢。夏綠一住咗院啦，
咩話？
唔知受咗咩刺激，打咗個乞嗤就打咗入院。你去唔去睇佢啊？
佢喺邊間醫院啊？
Oh, thank you, Cupid.
大學生，你對夏綠一係咪認真㗎？
係。
I love that. I really love that.
唉，好似夏綠一呢種屎坑石頭啊！你頂硬上係冇用㗎，你要等佢自己發現。講唔定阿梅呢張牌就係你個王炸咯。
Mm-hmm. What is he gonna do? Okay, I want to know.
東東姐啊，你點解會幫我嘅？
Because she cares.
我唔係幫你，我係幫夏洛日。自從小滿同埋青龍死咗之後，佢日日都生活喺後悔當中。直至遇到你，先至有返啲人樣。所以我希望你可以讓佢走向新嘅生活。
So she wants him to have a new life.
咩事啊？邊個打你啊？我出嚟！唔知呢度係我崔東東嘅地盤咩？
You can't smoke in the hospital unless if you're sick. Oh my god.
你有飯到啦。
嗯。
你自己同佢解釋。
聽講你病咗，我過嚟睇下你。
哦。
要邊樣？
呢個。
What is he doing? I could not.
腳啊！
Oh, he helped him. So cute.
呢度有白粥同皮蛋瘦肉粥，想飲咩啊？仲有呢啲亞麻葉嘅鹹蘿蔔乾，雖然賣相唔係咁好，但係好香啊！試下。
唔要。
No thanks. We're close to the end. Oh my god, I want more.
揾個地方
10
坐啊。
minutes left.
腳啊！ 老一哥啊，嗰晚對唔住啊，我唔應該激嬲你㗎。我知道你係為我好。
Okay, it's gonna follow the plan.
阿梅佢幾好啊，我同佢一齊好開心啊！多謝你。
Mm-hmm. Continue, it's working. He can't hide his emotions. Bittersweet
老一哥啊，
emotion.
俾樣嘢你睇啊！
咩啊？
你睇，玫瑰花，特登為阿梅紋㗎，靚唔靚啊？
你而家係咪傻咗啊？啊！你拍個拖啫喎，紋咩身啊？紋身係一世嘅事嚟㗎，你知唔知啊？
就嚟甩啦。
Don't look at him like that, I cannot. It's getting hot here.
做咩啊？
你好在乎我。
我在乎啲咩啊？我係驚何叔知你紋身打你啊！
阿爸先唔會啊。而且對我嚟講，鍾意一個人係一世嘅事。你話係咪啊？
我點知啫？
女哥，下個禮拜有部新戲，要唔要一齊睇啊？
唔係，陪你條女去咯。
好，咁我就同佢睇先咯。好睇嘅話，再同你講下。
咪啦，我最近忙。
He likes this.
過年嗰陣應該唔忙啩？阿爸佢話要唔要一齊過年喎？
我初三，我囂騎堂有成班兄弟排住隊等住陪我過年。我去你屋企過年做乜嘢啊？唔係。
Look at him.
開花啦喂！新嘅一年啊，要發財啊嚇！
真係估唔到6·1，你會抽時間過嚟同我哋一齊過年。
我都想同你哋過年啊嘛。
仔啊，咪話我話你啦，人哋6·1係客，邊有要人哋親自喐手嘅啫，真係。
舉手之勞，何叔舉手之勞嚟咋。
係啊，你唔知啊，呢個衰仔呢排屋企啲嘢咧越嚟越唔上心，一得閒出去追女仔喎。唉，爭啲唔記得。
Oh my god, it is gorgeous like that. White and black.
咪就係咧。
我啲酒咧係準備俾我未來新抱飲噶嘛。
你講得冇錯啊。
6·1啊，自己釀嘅糯米酒整翻杯啦。
唔使啦，唔使啦。
哎呀，試下啦嘛。
糯米酒咧就唔上頭嘅，唔好客氣啊。哎呀，初三你掹我做乜嘢啫？我都未講完你啊！你阿爸我係一個唔開明嘅人咩？揾個新抱係咪應該帶翻嚟，俾我幫下眼先？
咪就係啦。
嚟，阿爸，嚟，我同人哋10劃都未有一撇啊！你要佢飲少啲啦。
飲咗糯米酒先至叫過年噶嘛，係嘛？冇糯米酒咁邊度算過年啊？飲完個心先會亂粒粒噶嘛。話10劃未有一撇，我聽阿肥講啊，帶過佢去鋪頭噶啦。
哦係啊，新哥，我話你知啊，嗰日帶個女仔過嚟鋪頭食牛雜啊，好靚㗎個女仔，頭髮長長嘅，不知幾時正啊。
Oh, don't make things worse.
食嘢啊？食嘢先啦。
但係追女仔嗰陣，又有翻幾套散手喎。哎呀，肥你唔知啊，我真係好恨抱孫㗎。
我咪又係。
出年過年一定要帶翻嚟俾阿爸睇啊！啊，
多個人
我諗起我有個肥肥白白嘅孫仔咧，我啊真係不知幾開心啊！嚟。
你哋食先啦，我去揸水。
好，你去。
What is it?
路一哥，你唔開心啊？
冇啊，我要走啦。
你去邊啊？
No! I don't want to wait. Oh. Okay. Betrayal. Oh, that was. This was doing things to me. I want to know. I want them to be together. Oh my god! That episode was so good. Ooh. We learned so much more about Lee's feelings, and now I'm worried too. This episode made me worried about the police officer and that guy being in their life, entering their life to investigate further. I don't know. There's a stop there. I hope you enjoyed my reaction to Sammy's Children's Day, episode 7. If you like it, please subscribe, hit the bell and put a like, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Lot of kisses.
Jason Saya on my screen, tears and laughter every scene. Jays is crying, it's so sweet to watch her babies go so deep. Saya's quiet, giving thought, watching every single plot. Jays is tissues everywhere. Saya just gives that blank stare. Oh, Jay, she cries. Oh, Saya sighs. 2 reactors loving boys love, just 2 girls seeking for love. Jay's her baby's on her mind. Every tear she cannot hide. Protect them she always swears. Loves with all the shares. And then Saya holds her crown, with her heart forever bound to the boys that act so sweet, with their big eyes and their big smiles. Oh, Jay, she cries. Oh, Saya sighs. 2 reactors loving boys love, just 2 girls seeking for love. Protecting every boy. Jay shouts with joy, don't you dare hurt them. Love will win again. Saya softly hums, while the laughter comes. Still her heart beats fast when the cute times last. Oh, Jay, she cries. Oh, Saya sighs. 2 reactors loving boys love, just 2 girls.